Welcome everyone to this dazzling journey of creativity. Today we have embarked on craft adventure, transforming ordinary glitter sheet of aqua color into a masterpiece. Begin by cutting the strips of a glitter sheet. I have measured the strips and each one is precisely 5 cm in length. The next step is give one fold to a strip, ensuring a precise alignment that brings the two distinct points together with a seamless connection. Moving toward the next step, use a suitable cutting tool. Carefully cut a circular shape from the cardboard material. Next step is apply the folded strips onto the cardboard surface using an ample amount of a glue. Craft enthusiast, if you are loving the content, smash the subscribe button, ring the notification bell and show some love with the thumbs up. Now fill this empty place according to your choices. Here I used magenta color glitter sheet to fill this empty place. You can use product according to your choices. Use of beads and glitter is not a bad idea. Attach a strip to the back of your cardboard using strong adhesive or a hook and then hang it securely on the wall for display. Don't forget to mention your name in comment.